XUVOL Machinery was established in 2014, which is a multifunctional excavator attachments manufacturer in China. XUVOL people have continuously tried to improve product quality, introducing finite element mechanical analysis, hydraulic valve fluid design, PLE, SLW, and three-dimensional design to make innovation products. Moreover, we use top-of-the-line laser cutting machine with high precision, high speed, high quality, high stability. It helps XUVOL intelligent, informatized, automated, and efficient customized production. We use welding robots, intelligent industrial work assistant, and sensitive and automated welding process to make sure perfect weld products. XUVOL use CNC machining machine. Ensure the production is strictly in accordance with procedure table. The machined structural parts have higher precision, using gantry machining center with high rigidity and high precision retention to produce precision spare parts of tree harvester head. Vertical machining center by automatic tool change. The trouble of manual tool change is saved and production efficiency is improved. Manual grinding process makes sure the products with attractive outlook. XUVOL has environmentally friendly painting lines and baking painting lines to guarantee the good-looking machine. Our main products include timber grain, log grapples, excavator grapples, tree harvester head, grapple saw, and excavator drilling machines. XUVOL offer OEM and ODM service. Our R&D team ensure to make your idea turn into reality. We firmly believe that quality comes from the trust of customers. Only by innovation, we can create value for customers.